Very good morning, this is Gufran and you're watching the MBA grad in Germany. So in today's video, I will be talking about what is a VPD. So VPD is a document that is provided by UNI-ASSIST. So let's start with today's video where I'll be explaining you what a VPD is like, how you can get a VPD from UNI-ASSIST, and what is the procedure that you have to follow to get a VPD from UNI-ASSIST. Okay, and in the video, I will be also showing you what a VPD looks like. I'll show you my VPD and you can get an idea about how it looks like. So without further delay, let's start with today's video. For the UNI-ASSIST application process, that is the same for VPD also. So you can see that video which I have uploaded previously. So VPD is a document which converts your grades from Indian universities to grades into German universities. Like in India, every university has a different grade system. Like in India, some universities have a different grading system where their passing percentage is 40%, or some universities have a different grading system where their passing percentage is 35%. So it's variable thing. But as we apply to Germany, the people in Germany or the authorities in Germany, the universities in Germany, what they think that all people will be coming from different countries, they will having their different grading systems. So to generalize into one, they convert our grades from different countries, from different universities into their own grades. So that means it's easier for them to shortlist the candidates based on the different percentage. Okay, so like in India, we have this percentage system and CGPA system, right? But in Germany, it's different. Their scale of this calculation of your abilities is different. In Germany, the scale ranges from 1 to 5, where 1 is termed as excellent, that you are the best, and 5 is termed that you have pretty lower grades. So mostly an ideal score in Germany should be 2.5. That is, when our university's percentage from India, when converted into a German scale, it should be 2.5 or something below that. The less the better. Like if I have a score of 1.2 or 1.6 in German scale, that means my score is pretty great considering admissions in Germany. So what you can do is, if you want to get an estimate, there are various calculators available in different websites where you can just put your percentage, your university grading system's percentage. Like example, in my university it was 40% for the passing and 100% for the maximum marks. So in this grade calculator, you can put all these details, and you can also take out your estimate of how much is your this German grade when calculated from your percentage. Okay, so in short, it is a document that, or you can say it is a certificate. VPD is a certificate that converts your grades from Indian universities to a grade into a German format. The application for VPD is same as the regular UNI-ASSIST application process. The only difference is you get this VPD document through mail in your mail ID and also by post. So I'll show you how a VPD document looks like. I'll show you my VPD document and you can get to know like how it looks like. So this is how a VPD document looks like. It is an envelope. I've already opened this, but I'll show you what's inside it and you'll get a fair idea about how it looks like. Okay, I'll also, if I'm not able to show this on the camera, I'll put an photo over here in the screen, anywhere it can appear, so you'll get to know. So I'll open this envelope for you and you'll get an idea about how it looks like. So see, as you can see, I don't know whether you can see or not. Here it's written UNI-ASSIST. I know it will be inverted in the camera because it's front camera, but I'll show you the pics I'll upload the pics in this video. So basically there are two pages like this. So the first page is a general information page where your name, your address will be written over here, and downwards it will be written that your name will be written, and they will specify your VPD applicant number, and also they will specify for which university you are applying. So as you can see here, it's written, I don't know whether you will be able to see it or not, but I'll upload this. So here it's written that I had applied for Technical University of Munich, and this is the VPD for Munich. Okay, TU Munich. In the second page, your VPD score would be a sheet like this, where your first name, your date of birth, your applicant number, all the information will be given over here. And down here, your university name, your date of passing from the university, and your VPD grade will be written over here. Okay, on the backward side of this page, you will see they have given the VPD grade over here also. So in short, I would say there are 2 pages like this you'll get in an envelope like this. And generally what happens, like for different regions, the duration of getting this post is it varies, because some people may get in 3 months, some people may get in 4 months, some people may get in 15 days also, so it may vary, but you generally get the email instantly within 20 to 24 days from the UNI-ASSIST people. So you can upload that PDF also to whichever universities you are applying. So don't depend on this hard copies, you can apply through the soft copies also. Okay, for like some universities require this document because the application process is through their own website or through their own portal. So what they do is they require this VPD document from UNI-ASSIST, and when you get this document like your grade conversion, you have to upload this document at the particular university website. So it makes the process easier for the university because they don't have to again calculate your grade into a German format. So that's how it is. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, comment below in the comment section and subscribe my channel. So अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करना, अगर ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी तो सब्सक्राइब करना, और अगर नहीं अच्छी लगी तो भी सब्सक्राइब कर देना. So और if you have any doubts, like अगर कोई भी आपको doubts है, do comment below in the comment section. I'll get your doubts resolved. And yeah, so stay safe, keep yourself healthy, and bye bye.